So see here, standard, third standard, subject is English. Where I left earlier, celebration is the topic. So see here, students, now let us read the understand the lesson on Children's Day celebration. Children are the biggest gift of a God to the parents. Yes or no? Huh? Children are the biggest gift of God to the parents. Children's Day in India is celebrated on November 14th. Always Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th. So this is a Chacha Jawaharlal Nehru. You can see here, and in this photo is also you can see here. These are all the what? These are all the teachers. These are all the teachers, and she is giving speech. Okay, 14th. Because his birthday is there, okay, as a tribute to Chacha Jawaharlal Nehru and his love for children. His birthday is celebrated all over India as a Children's Day. Why is birthday celebrated all over India? Because is a Children's Day. Is having his Children's Day all over celebrated. Okay, children's affectionately called Jawaharlal Nehru or Chacha Nehru or Chachaji because he was found both of children's and roses. Yes. Chacha Jawaharlal Nehru was loved in children's and roses. He loved both of them, children's as well as roses. He said that children's are the buds in a garden. What do you mean by buds? Bud means ಈಗಿದ ಅರಳಿದ ಹೂಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು? ಚಾಚಾ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. They should be carefully nurtured. Nurtured means carefully ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು. Okay. Children are the future of the nations and the citizens of tomorrow. He felt that children are the real strength of a country. On Children's Day, schools have cultured programs, games, and these are managed by students themselves. So mostly they are students manage ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ on the Children's Day ದಾಗ November 14 Children's Day ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ themselves manage ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ because they are celebrating the Teachers Day. Teachers performs various cultural activities for their beloved students. So teachers perform various cultural activities. Activities ಇರ್ತಾವ for the beloved ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. New words. Tribute is nothing but it is a respect. Tribute is nothing but that is a respect. Affection. Respect means we should always what we should do. We should always respect our elders, our teachers, our parents. Okay. Affection, love. We are love with our teachers. No, we are love with our parents like that. Found means like, neuter, take care, bud, little one of flower, moggu antarla, little one of flower. Okay, so see here, let us understand, answer the following questions. In India, Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th or November 20th. Yes, always it is celebrated on November 14th. It is celebrated on November 14th. That's a pass mark over here. Nehru was fond of both children's and roses, R-O-S-E-S. So you have to write here roses. Third, who are the real, so see here once again, who are the real strength of a country? Dash are the real strength of a country. Who is the strength of a country? Dash is the real strength of a country. Who is the real strength of the country? Children are the real strength of the country. Fourth one, children affectionately called Jawaharlal Nehru Chachaji or Mamaji. Answer is Chachaji. You have to put the right marks over here. So this one. Next, coming back. So see here, fill in the blanks with the suitable letters given in the box. We have to fill in the blanks. Always you have to fill in the blanks. So see here, A, E, I, O, U. So see here, children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children is there. Next, gift, G-I-F-T, gift, I have to put here. Tomorrow, T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. Strength, S-T-R-E-N-T-H, beloved. Buds, B-U-D-S, B-E-D-S, B-E-D-S, bets, D-A-T-E, date. This is always, this is called as ovals. What do you call this as an ovals? A-E-I-O-U is called as an ovals. So you have to fill it over here. So see here, rearrange the jumbled words in the correct order to make meaningful sentence. These notes are given to you. Just you can make it afterwards. Dash are the birds. So see here students, rewrite the jumbled words in the correct order to make the meaningful sentence. To make a meaningful sentence, you have to, jumbled words is there, no? You have to make it a meaningful sentence. See here, are the birds garden in like children's? So see here, first one plot will come, are the birds. So ulta pulta alive. So it is a mixed, so you have to make it correct one. Are the birds garden in a like children's? Children's are like birds in the garden. So answer what comes? Childrens are like the birds in a garden. So answer comes like that. So next one, are the future the nation children of? Are the future the nation children of? So what does the answer comes? Children are the future of the nation. Children are the future of the nation. Next, Children's Day celebrate we on November 14th. So answer what it comes? Children's Day celebrate we on November 14th. So we celebrate what? We celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. So answer what it comes? We celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. Fond was Nehru children of. What was the answer count? Fond was Nehru children of. Nehru was fond of children. Nehru was fond of children. So answer that comes. So see here. Do you celebrate? Do you celebrate? Andre ನೀವು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? Do you celebrate? Do you celebrate means ನೀವು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? So see here. Stand in a circle. Meet at least 3 friends and festivals they celebrate. Do you celebrate Children's Day? If they put a pass mark, and if they so no put a wrong mark. So see here, celebrations. Children's Day, friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. Okay, your friend 3 friends are there. You have to go for it. Whether you celebrate Children's Day in your school, yes means yes. Teachers Day, yes means yes. You have to celebrate like that. Ramzan, Deepavali, Onam, Moharram, Ganesha Chaturthi, Buddha Purnima, like that is there. Whether you will celebrate your friends will celebrate yes or no, you have to put the pass mark over there. Okay, so next one. So see here, some celebration are mentioned, write the month and which they are celebrated. So see here, Teachers Day. Okay, Teachers Day. So see here, Teachers Day, what they do, which on which they are celebrating, you have to write it here. Ambedkar Jayanti is on April 14th. So Teachers Day on what? September 5th. So Children's Day on November, Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd, Children's Day on November 14th. Okay, so these are all they have celebrated. Say a sentence each celebration. Teachers Day celebrated on September 5th. So see here, Children's Day is celebrated on September 5th as I told you earlier. So you have to write it over here. So see here, asking questions. Move around the class, meet 4 friends and collect information about the age and in which month they were born by asking questions. Hello, I am Amina. I am 6 years old. I was born on 10th August. So she was Amina. So she was born on 10th August. What is your name? How old are you? When is your birthday? So she is asking the question to this man. So I am Amina. What is your name? How old you are? How much old you are? And when is your birthday? You have to fulfill this answer by writing my name, my birthday and my date of birth. Like that you have to make it 4 columns. You have to make that answers. So see students, all the students have planned to celebrate Children's Day. Payal, the class leader. So Payal is the, what is the Payal? Payal is the class leader. Had written his letter. This is the letter. This is the letter of invitation. Fill in the blanks with your choice of food, games and fun activities. So see here, this is from Haveri. She has written the letter. She is from Haveri. So see Haveri, 10th November 2013. Dear Shalu, we have a function in the school to celebrate Children's Day. We will have a lot of fun. We will play games like whatever play will like games like carom, okay, and cricket. We will eat dash and dash. What will eat? We will eat rice and sambar. Yes or no? We will also have dash and dash. We will also please come to school ground. This is a date and this is a time. Date you have to mention. Time you have to mention. Your loving friend Payal. Payal is writing to celebrate the Children's Day to his friend. So see here. Listen to your teacher and complete the sentence. I am dash sweets. I love sweets. Yes or no? Always you love sweets. Nehru was a dash on November 14. Nehru was birthday. Nehru's was birthday on November 14. We dash Deepavali in November. We celebrate Deepavali in November. My parents give dash on my birthday. My parents give gift on my birthday. Childrens are the dash of our nation. Childrens are the future of our nation. So once again, I'll repeat you. See, students, I am dash sweets. I am dash sweets. I am love sweets. Okay. Nehru was what? Nehru was birthday on November 14th. We celebrate Deepavali in November. My parents give gift on my birthday. Children are the what? Future of our nations. So in the next class we will continue all those things. So third standard students, what my advice I have to give you? So learn and read carefully in your home. Thank you, students.